Hello everyone, this is me Satya here and I'm back with the remaining month reads. This reading is going to be for the sign of Scorpio. So let's see what is coming up for Scorpions for the remaining month time. I will be adding oracle cards in this reading but no charms will be added, so stay tuned. And before we dive into the read, let me remind you it's a general reading. It may not resonate with everyone out there. So always pick the messages which are resonating and leave the rest. For personal reads, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also follow me on Instagram where I do upload daily readings. So Scorpions, let's find out what is happening for you for the remaining month time. What is going on? What is going on? The High Priestess, Ten of Swords, Two of Wands, Eight of Cups, Six of Pentacles. Underneath the deck we do have the Queen of Pentacles. Wow. There is a specific someone in your life who's going to be on your mind 24/7. This person is somebody who's very intuitive. This person could be somebody that you have been dealing with for quite some time. You really want to have a future with this person, but then there are certain things that are happening in your life which you are busy with. I feel like you will be obsessive. You will be getting obsessed with this person during this remaining month time. For some of you, maybe this person has left you or will be leaving you in the remaining month time, which is going to make you obsess over them. This is going to make you feel like as if you are losing someone, and it's going to make you feel real bad. It's going to make you feel kind of lost is what I'm picking up. You would feel like I want this person, and this shift in you around this person is happening because maybe you made a wrong move in the connection. There is something that you made a mistake around in this connection, which is going to make you feel like oh my god, you're gonna wish as a wish that I had not done this, wish I had not done that. So there will be something happening on your part which is going to make you feel regret about. Then you would know just one thing: you want this person and you want them at any cost, and then you're gonna go for that one person, and you would not settle in for anything less than what you want with them. Your love for this person is going to be shouting out loud. You might have been trying to suppress it lately, and it seems like it's not going to stay in control for you any longer. This person is going to be pulling you towards them. I feel like for majority of you, this person is using law of attraction techniques. You would be unable to focus on to anything but them. You would want to get married to this person, nothing less than that. Why? Yep, I do see you planning to get married to this person, nothing less than that. Your obsession is very unexpected coming for this person. Now, why is that happening? I don't know. It would be different for different people, but this is a sudden shift for Scorpions. It never showed up like this. For Scorpions, their work has always been their top priority. Their passion has always been their top priority. Their relationship, their love life has always been the least thing for them. Now, what is it that's triggering this shift in them is very it's a magical shift is what I'm picking up. And now that's the reason why I feel like this could be a manifestation of your person coming to fruition for them, which is why you are obsessing over them. Maybe they are using some tools and techniques to make you feel that way, but this is real. This is happening for Scorpions now. Scorpions are going to get obsessed with the other person that they are dealing with, and it seems like you guys are going to be like You're gonna feel a pull for this person like never before. You're gonna feel like, craving for this person like never before. And with the divine help, it seems like, it's more like it was a divine timing. And plus, maybe, this person deserved this kind of madness coming from your end to them, is what I'm picking up. So it's gonna be a major time for you regarding your love life, where your focus is going to be shifted to love, um, unexpectedly. It's an unexpected shift that is happening within you for this person. um, Maybe your person is going to leave you. That's going to trigger this emotion in you. Maybe they have already left you, and that is going to get overwhelming for you in this remaining month time. So it's just gonna be like, making you crazy, for sure, about them. And you are going to, I don't know, maybe because you have, why do you want to get married to this person now? You have been thinking a lot about them. They are your happiness. um I feel like, it's more of that energy where you're gonna realize that, you cannot go on and off with your person like this any longer, because they are not gonna welcome that. So maybe you will have to take a kind of a serious, solid step towards them. That could be the case for some of you. But yeah, let's see the oracle messages. Let's see what the oracle has to add to the read. But this is a very unexpected shift in Scorpion's energy towards their specific someone. They never got obsessed with anyone. Let's see. Trader, exchange energy to create balance. Wow, the balance is being created between you and your specific someone now. As they pulled away, you are going to go crazy for them. So it's more of that energy. I feel like, this is something divinely timed that is happening right now in your love life with your specific someone. Lady, enjoy growth and reap rewards. I feel like, this is your person's energy. They are reaping the rewards. They have been, planting the seeds of love in your heart for them, and now finally they are getting the fruits of their labor, and they know that. I feel like, a person is very much sure about them getting what they wanted, and they never had any. They have changed. They have matured up. They have had their own individual growth. When it comes to you, I feel like, this is very new for you to deal with this kind of a emotion, this kind of energy to have for a specific someone is something very alien to you. And it's hard for you to digest that. It's hard for you to kind of, embrace that as well. But you are going to do that because you don't want anything but them. So that's you. So yeah, let's take more cards. Let's see what are the other oracle messages for you. Okay, so let's take, you are lovable. You are lovable, and maybe this person makes you feel so loved. Work on your confidence. Maybe for some of you really need to work on your confidence, or maybe the person that you are dealing with has worked on their confidence. Walk in the nature. Walking in the nature or spending some time in the nature is going to help you a lot getting your wishes fulfilled. Stop chasing people. You deserve better. I feel like, it's again, it could be your energy, it could be the energy of the person that you are dealing with as well. Maybe they are going to stop chasing you, or maybe if the energies are reversed, maybe your person is now going crazy for you, as you pulled away, or as you ended a connection with them, for not getting what you wanted with them. So it's more like, it can be either way, but I feel like, for majority of you is the Scorpion's energy shift. Why? Because that's how, it's it has always been like. Let's take some cards for the energy of the person that you are dealing with. Let's see what's going on with them. Your person's energy, please. Your person is going to hold themselves back until unless you make a decision. So it's definitely, your person has pulled away. Until unless you make a decision, they are not going to give in to this connection. So again, the same message. So yeah, I feel like we have already taken the cards. I think one card is missing here. Yep, let's take one card from, or a few cards from this deck, and then we are done for this read. Hold on, there's this one card which I can see. Emotions are running high. I feel like, Scorpions, your emotions will be running very high for this person, unable for you to kind of, control them. A time for healing. I feel like, it's going to be a high time that you heal yourself around this person, around this situation, this connection, and let your love flow to them. Maybe you have been holding your emotions for this person because you had the healing to be done. And once you heal yourself, you will be basically opening your heart up to letting love in and love out for this person as well. So let's take one card from this deck. Let's see what it has to add to the read. Journal. Process your emotions through writing. No judgment, just flow. Whatever you want, whatever you desire, just write it down. Whatever you feel, whatever you want to talk about to the universe, to the God that you believe in, you can journal it out. Even if you want to say some things to your person, maybe you can write it down and let the universe help you pass the message to the person that you are dealing with as well. So yeah, that's pretty much it coming up for you for this read. If the reading resonated with you, like, subscribe and share. If you're willing to get a personal read, you can always reach out to me for that on my email ID in the description box. Till I do the next reading for you guys, take care. Bye.